छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नई दौर पे हम चलेंगे।
Greetings, Arunachal. A new chapter of economic and cultural growth unfolded in East Siang District with the inauguration of District Emporium here at Pasigat today. The Emporium is visioned to be a hub for local artisans, entrepreneurs, and farmers. The initiative aims to provide a platform for showcasing indigenous crafts, promoting self-reliance, and boosting local livelihood while preserving the culture. Today, the team of Eastern Post is here at the Textile and Handloom Office in Pasigat. So be with us for the full report.
Hearing, Honorable Sir, you know, in our Arunachal Pradesh, also under textile and handicrafts department, most of the assets are of Nepal era. Without telling you, you know more than me. Somehow we are functioning it. Somehow we are running through our personal initiative. Otherwise, these buildings would have simply vanished into the thin air. But of late, through our persistent effort and through your kind initiative since last 2-3 years, government has provided us some fund for upgradation, renovation of which are going to be in dire need. And this we are doing in a phased manner under your initiative, sir.
Our department has successfully constructed more than 60 worksheds. We have distributed more than 200 solar lighting units to every household, and in return it has reduced the electric costs, has extended working hours, leading to improved productivity and income generation. We have also distributed more than 100 frame looms, 50 jacquards, and electric motors to the weavers of the different clusters. One of the most inspiring cluster development effort that has come into life is women empowerment. Most of our women has opened shops and are very active in selling their products offline and online. The turnover of 2023 to 25 of Wayang cluster has been 9.2 lakh rupees. So the establishment of the Emporium is a great platform for the weavers to showcase their designs and to directly meet the sellers and the buyers. We are also proud to inform you that very recently we have attended National Handloom Day. We got an opportunity to meet Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji which was a huge encouragement for our weavers too.
मैं मिनिस्टर साहब को बहुत दिल से मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ कि आपके प्रयासों से आपने जो किया है हमारे लिए, जो हाउसवाइफ है उनके लिए आपने किया, तो स्कीम हमारे घर पर भी, हमारे लोगों ब्लॉक पर भी आए और हम उस पर हम बेनिफिट्स पाए हैं। और आपके इसमें यहाँ हम देखा जाए तो हमारे में 1 रुपये का भी खर्चा नहीं हुआ है। हमको मिला है घर बनाने का सुविधा और वो मिला है, और सोलर जो लैंप होता है, लाइट होता है, वो मिला है। जहाँ देखा जाए तो हम उन सब चीज़ों पे भी पैसा खर्च करने के लायक होते हैं आगे बढ़ने का, लेकिन यहाँ में ऐसे कुछ भी तकलीफ नहीं दिया है, सब कुछ फ्री में मिला है। उसके लिए सर आपको फिर से धन्यवाद।
आज का जो इनोवेशन फंक्शन जो आंध्रप्रदेश में ये बड़े बिल्डिंग को बनाए हैं, शायद इसका एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट 1 करोड़ है। ये तो शायद बहुत ही अच्छा से बनाए हैं, क्वालिटी। शायद आज का दिन में इतना हाई जीएसटी होने के बाद 1 करोड़ में इतना बड़ा बिल्डिंग बना है। गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट को कांग्रेचुलेशन देना चाहता है, आप लोग बहुत ही अच्छा ही काम किया है। मैं तो सोचता हूँ आने की तरह बड़ा जमाई हेलो गीता नगर लोग बिल्डिंग है, आप लोग अच्छा से इसको बेनिफिट उठाएगा होगा। ये माता रूम का बिल्डिंग है, लोग लगा नहीं बोला भी तो नहीं, ये लोग एनजीओ के तरह सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के तरह ये पढ़ने में बिल्डिंग तक आपको यूज कर
देवानंद साहब ने पता नहीं क्या सोच के मुझे इतने सारे डिपार्टमेंट दिया। I really enjoy working in all these departments. लोग बोलते हैं लेबर इज माइनर डिपार्टमेंट, 14 डिपार्टमेंट। लेबर मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा डिपार्टमेंट लेबर है। मैं जिनेवा जाके आया हूँ, जहाँ विवेकानंद जी जिस पोडियम में खड़ा करके जो लेक्चर दिया है, वहां से मैं दिया। That my laborers have they gave me this opportunity. ये छोटा सा एक बिल्डिंग जिसको इनॉग्रेशन करने के लिए आप लोगों ने मुझे बताया, ये छोटा सा नहीं है। इसको किस तरह से आपको यूज करना है बहुत जरूरी है। आपका सोच क्या है, इस बिल्डिंग को किस तरह से यूज करना है, ये सोच आपको रखना हो, आपका विजन होना हो। यहाँ पान का के थूक देगा, अगर ऐसे करेगा तो आपका प्रॉपर्टी आपकी मर्जी है, बिगाड़ना हो तो बिगाड़ लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, हमने तो दे दिया। अभी बाकी किस तरह से बचाना है वो आपका काम। जबकि तो मैडम आप है, ये पासीघाट वो जगह है 1911 में यहाँ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो चुका, ये पहला टाउन बना अरुणाचल प्रदेश का।
Everybody, I want to thank all of you from the department side and on my own personal behalf. Regarding this emporium, under the able leadership of our minister, sir, this has been announced in the budget by the government of Arunachal. So we take every year on a rotation basis. We are covering 3-4 districts, emporium, new construction of new emporium. So on a priority basis, sir was kind enough to grant 1 crore rupees for this emporium. So we are thankful to you, sir. And this emporium is a platform for all the artisans, handicraft artisans and weavers from this district. We have a working capital scheme from that we purchase their product and we 10% addition we sell it in our emporium. And we also collect revenue for the government. And also this is the home for our tradition and culture. So as long as we are here, the tradition and culture will also be there.
How will the district emporium help the people of ECL?
Come on, this is going to help in a huge manner. We have our artisans, but they are not given platforms. This will go. This is going to give them a platform
wherein they can showcase their calibers. And moreover, our Modi ji, he is emphasizing on local, vocal for local. That slogan is already there. So, in that way, we are also going so that our artisans are not left without any engagement. They all should be engaged. That's all.
आपके हिसाब से जो ये एम्पोरियम आज है जिसका इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है तो जो लोकल आर्टिस्ट्स हैं वो इसे किस तरह सपोर्ट करते हैं और जो हमारा जो ट्रेडिशनल जो कल्चरल जो हमारा जो चीज़ है इसे कैसे सब रिप्रेजेंट
देखिए ये जो वो देखिए इसमें एक चीज है, पीपल शुड टेक इंटरेस्ट, स्पेशली पर्टिकुलरली द ओमेन पोक. The women folk should take much participation in this. We have been talking about women empowerment. What is that? This is empowerment. We are giving them opportunities so that they can go ahead. And most importantly, the culture which we always talk about, to preserve our culture. Who is going to preserve the culture? They are going to preserve the culture by doing all this, making all this traditional dresses, traditional attires. They are the main, they are the sole person who are going to preserve the culture. Otherwise, we are just talking only. They are the main person, those who are doing. So they should be encouraged. So I'm doing on that.
Just now in your speech, you have addressed that you are going to put some rules and regulations on media houses. So
No. That too. I'm very strict on that. I am also fed up of all the nuisance which is created by, which are not recognized. People are all going around having one mobile and telling I am the media person. I'm asking you that is going to be regulated. We are going to regulate that.
ओके सर जैसे कि आपने कहा आपका गवर्नमेंट का बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग स्लोगन है वोकल फॉर लोकल आपने कहा सर देखिए हम कहने जा रहे हैं जैसे कि ये ऑफिस है तो बैक टू 1965 का बोला तो सर देखने में है आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी को आगे बढ़ाना है ये पहले का जो 60-70 इयर्स का ऊट का जो स्पाइन रेलवे चल रहा है सर आपका नजर पे क्या है उसको टेक्नोलॉजी को
इसीलिए ये निशाना दिया है कि हम नए दौर पे जाएंगे. छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी. नए दौर पे हम चलेंगे.
डेफिनेटली चेंज आएगा सर.
सर इसके बाद से जो हमारे सब लोगों सबका जिम्मेदारी बनता है कि जो हमारे जो कल्चर देश सबको प्रिजर्व करेगा सबका रोल बनता है ना कि जो बनाते सिर्फ उनका ही रोल बनता है तो उन सब अब जो लोकल पब्लिक सबका क्या कहना चाहिए ताकि वो
पब्लिक से तो मैं अभी मैं एक स्कूल का फाउंडेशन ले करके आया हूँ, निबू निजिक मैंने जो गुरुकुल, जहाँ हमारा जो ट्रेडिशन के बारे में हमारा जो नींबू होता है ना, जो प्रीस्ट लोग हैं उन लोग जिस तरह से चैंटिंग करता है वो सिखाया जाएगा. बाकी जो नॉर्मल टीचिंग भी चलेगा. अभी वहाँ भी मैं बोल के आया. We now this is the right time. All of we should work together to preserve our culture. That our culture is going to extinct. Who will save it? You, me, who else? We all should. Today, at my own home, my children doesn't know how to speak Tagin. So simple thing that is happening. That has to be eradicated. That has to be some mission should be taken up to preserve our culture, to preserve our language.
what is the main objective behind the setting of this district emporium in Pasigat?
First of all, thank you so much to you all media, because as I have said in my welcome speech also, you are the fourth pillar of the democracy. Your contribution is very much necessary in all-round development of the state or the country, whatever, okay? Well, Emporium, basically it is the center, it is nerve center. It is the backbone of our department, wherein we will be showcasing our unique products, departmental products from the artisans, from the weavers, from the entrepreneurs. more so, you see, handloom handicraft is a unsung hero of all of us. We people generally go for those very popular departments, this department, that department, but we forget to look back to this very important department, which happens to be handloom and handicraft. Imagine without this department, we would be naked. Okay, we need clothing, and it is in this context that handloom and handicrafts is very important department. Through handloom and handicraft departments, we can look up to the need of our clothing systems in terms of our maintaining and retaining our traditions, cultures, and customs also. Okay, and also our utilities through handicraft items like our tools, equipments, wares, like that. Okay, that's why to cater to that need and to publicize and to let people know and let people take up our very this important venture, this sector, we have established Emporium. It will be visiting center, it will be exhibition hall come transaction hall in the form of sale counter. Will be keeping every sort of handicrafts item in the Emporium so that the visitors will come, discover us, they will purchase it, and among us also will see it, will see the innovation, will use it in line with government of India's vocal for local.
और सर आप लोगों की ओर से जो एम्पोरियम सामान डिस्प्ले किया जाता है उसमें जो ऑथेंटिसिटी और जो सबको इंश्योर करने के लिए जाते हैं
Yes, correct. You see, very recently we have introduced GI tagging system. Okay, geographical identification. It will do everything. It will protect everything. That this belongs to Adi, this belongs to Galo, this belongs to Nisi, sort of things. There are geographical identification marking will be there. So it will be really authentic, and we ourselves will be the check and balance elements, because we know, I know, this is Galo, Adis, this is Galos, this is Nisis, isn't it? We'll preserve it. We'll make safeguard of it, and we'll do the check and balance, isn't it? You will be visiting our emporium. You will be looking at it. You will give us advice. We'll do innovations. We'll modify, and we'll move along.
Sir, how do you plan to attract customers and tourism to the district?
You see, we have so many platforms through which we are doing. Right now also, we are conducting 14 days Hatkarga Mela at DK ground, wherein from all our districts, participant has come. Not only from Arunachal Pradesh, people, entrepreneurs are coming from Jammu and Kashmir this time, from Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Nagaland. Now also so many calls are coming to me seeking for acceptance of their application.
Sir, how are you going to take initiative to expand and strengthen the
You see, these are, as I have said, these are the steps we are initiating. We are making due publicities. We are sending, exposure tours, and we are revamping activities in the districts through craft center like this today. Honorable has been inaugurated. We are giving vocational trainings to the unemployed and robot youth, especially the women, in terms of these weaving activities. Okay. Any more?
Sir, what message will you give to the public?
See, my message to the public is that, let us, as our Honorable Minister has already said, let us not let our identity, our culture, our traditions extinct in the invasion of this glittering modernities, Western invasion. Let us reinvent our tradition, custom, through wearing and use of our own handloom products, our handicraft items. Yes. Thank you.
As the curtain falls on the successful ceremony of today's inauguration of the District Emporium here in Pasigat, it is evident that today's inauguration is just more than a ceremony. It is a new beginning for local artisans, entrepreneurs, and farmers. With high hopes and opportunities, the Emporium stands firm as a symbol of progress and cultural pride for East Siang. We will keep you updated on its impact on how it is helping the livelihood of locals. So this was all it for today. This is me, Dinung Tang, signing out with camera person Krishna Prasad, Eastern Post.